I'm Congressman Phil Gingrey, Dr. Phil Gingrey from Georgia's 11th Congressional District. If you're like me, sick and tired of 1,100-page bills on reforming our healthcare system like this H.R. 3200, I have got the perfect solution for you. I want to present it to you and hopefully ask you to share it with your friends and neighbors. It's a very simple 2-page bill, easy to read, basically the 10 prescriptions for a healthy America. Let me describe them to you. Number 1, no government-run health care. Number 2, no cuts to Medicare. This bill that I just showed you cuts Medicare $500 billion. Can our seniors afford that? I think the answer is definitely no. Number 3, no new deficit spending. The President has said it on national television, not one dime of increased deficit spending. And in this bill, there's about $290 billion of increased deficit to add to the already $2 trillion for this year alone. Number 4, no new taxes. This bill calls for about $900 billion worth of new taxes on the backs of our small businessmen and women. Sure, they're the ones that create the jobs and provide the health insurance, so that will just make more people lose their health insurance. Number 5, no rationing of care. This is something that concerns all of us because the federal government will come along and make a decision and say, you know, who's going to get care, who's not going to get care. And guess who probably gets thrown under the bus first? Our senior citizens, that's who. Number 6, no individual or employer mandate on the purchase of health insurance. We want employers to provide it. We want employees to purchase it. But we don't want to force them to do it. That's not constitutional in this country. Number 7, no taxpayer-funded coverage for illegal immigrants. Well, here again, the President has said it repeatedly. Let's let him put his money where his mouth is and make sure that people are applying for government subsidies under this or any other plan, like Medicaid, show proper identification that they're here in this country legally. Number 8, we're going to make sure that anything that passes this Congress covers pre-existing conditions for patients and they don't get denied health insurance because they've got pre-existing conditions. Number 9, the President again has repeatedly said, as he did to the American Medical Association back in June at their annual meeting in his hometown of Chicago, that we need medical liability reform. But that's just a token comment. There's nothing in any of the House or Senate bills that are applicable to medical liability reform. We will have that. And finally, number 10, at the end of the year, if we pass a bill, my promise to you is that we will reduce health care costs. If you agree with me or you want to see a little bit more about this bill, this 2-page bill, go to my website. It's very simple, gingrey.house.gov. And on the website, you'll see the 10 prescriptions for a healthy America. I encourage you to download this, to send it to your friends and others who you know are equally concerned. Let's spread the word. We on the Republican side and hopefully some good conservative Democrats can come up with a reform bill that does not break the bank, that really improves the situation and not makes it worse. Thank you for listening.